Malawi Today.
Mu nkhani yomwe yangochitika kumene breaking news, Vice President wa dziko la Zambia yemwenso ndi running mate wa Hakainde Hichilema pa zisankho zomwe zikubwerazi WK Mutale Nalumango apulumuka ku ngozi ya ndege. Potsindikiza za nkhaniyi Hakainde Hichilema amene ndi mtsogoleri wa dzikoli anena kuti anayankhula ndi Vice President amene anaoneka kuti ali bwino, komanso awatsimikizira kuti wina aliyense amene anali mu ndege imene wapulumuka, chifukwa chonena kuti itangochitika ngozi imene anthu anawathamangisira ku chipatala kamene kanali kakafupi kamene analandirako chithandizo mpaka na kufikira pamene anawatulusa. President Hichilema wathokoza Mulungu kunena kuti wateteza Vice President komanso ndi wina aliyense amene anakwera mu ndege imeneyi. Zambiri zayankhulidwa makamaka potsindikiza za nkhani. Vice President anayankhula pa National Television ya ku Zambia imene anawatsimikizira Mazambians onse akumeneko kunena kuti iyayi ine ndili bwinobwino ndipo sindinavulalenso konse ayi. Zambiri zili mu video iyi.
The country is worried as we speak, Your Honor, the Vice President. This has been ongoing on social media and everybody's asking the well-being of the Vice President. Again, to reconfirm your safety, are you okay? Are you traumatized? How are you doing emotionally?
Believe you me, it has happened and God has done his own, the intervention from God. And therefore, the way he has intervened, it means that we continue with our work. I can't say, yes, trauma is there when you are in such a thing, but it's not trauma that goes on for over 30 minutes. So far, I am well. If they invite me to a rally, which we could have done, but because they want to ensure this and that, that's why our colleagues have gone ahead. My colleagues have gone ahead to Isoka. But I believe that all things being equal, we will continue with our programs as planned from tomorrow, or at least after tomorrow.
You mentioned that...
you can see me?
Yes. Okay.
You want me to stand?
I would love for you to stand, but...
Social media has become something, probably for some it is something to enjoy. I am sure that there are many that feel sad, but I can assure you Zambians that God is faithful. We are very, very well. I am well. I'm not saying we to refer to myself. We were 8 and all of us are fine. We really do thank God. And if anybody prays out there, let them help me thank the living God for preserving our lives, because he knows that there is a job that we ought to do. He doesn't keep us alive for nothing.
The other 7 people...
he knows that there is way we should do.
The other 7 people, Your Honor, that were on board this plane, were they journalists or they were part of the security detail, or perhaps they were politicians as well that you were moving with? Who are these people?
I don't normally move with politicians on that plane. It's those that attend to the Vice President. Literally, there wasn't a single politician. You realize that? Not a single politician was on that plane. It's a small plane. It's a helicopter. And there was no single politician. I can name them all, not even one. As a politician. I was the only politician
on the plane.
On the plane.
You mentioned early on, Your Honor, before I let you go, that you haven't been allowed to proceed with the campaigns. Will this mean on your end,
I'm not allowed to do what?
You will not go on to proceed with the rest of your duty for the campaigns, at least for today. Do you know how?
Of course, doctors like to say, let us check and see just in case. But my vitals are fine. There's nothing was raised, even though the first thing they did was to rush us to Nakonde Hospital. And I did check whether it is my BP. It was within my normal BP. What else did they do? They checked the sugar. It was within my normal sugar level. Except, according to their medical, they want to observe you for a few, whether it's hours or minutes. But I'm not even in hospital. I am outside the hospital, just waiting for the time set. And then I believe that we'll hit the road, not to campaign in the night. We don't campaign in the night.
Are you still there, your Republican Vice President? Are you still there? Well, I'm speaking to the Republican Vice
President. And disseminating this to the Zambians. We are fine, Zambians that love us. We are fine. Everybody must rejoice. I don't think there is such an evil Zambian who can be happy if something happened. Even if you are in opposition, I'm sure you are happy that we are fine. God bless you for love.
In conclusion, Republican Vice President, what is your final word to the Zambian people watching tonight? What is your final word to the Zambian people watching tonight that were worried, extremely worried about your well-being?
Yes, that's why I'm saying I believe in Zambians. I believe in the love of Zambians. I don't care whether they are opposition or ruling party. I'm sure we are all rejoicing that this mishap was there, but life has been preserved. And I'm still there myself and the others who also have families. We just thank God. And I thank God for you for prayers. We had prayers this morning. Pastors